Brad Lander, also a candidate for mayor, was taken into custody by ICE at Immigration Court in Lower Manhattan while he was trying to protect another man from being deported. Lander was released late this afternoon and then greeted by a crowd of supporters. All of this unfolding exactly a week before the mayoral primary. Political reporter Marcia Kramer has more on what this could mean for the mayor's race. Let's begin tonight's coverage, though, with Bauman live in Lower Manhattan. Allie.
Christine, Comptroller Brad Lander says besides a missing button on his jacket, he is doing okay after being taken into custody and detained earlier today. Now, the Comptroller says he didn't even know what he was arrested for until after he was released. The Department of Homeland Security says he was arrested for assaulting law enforcement and impeding a federal officer, but Governor Hochul says those charges have since been dropped.
You don't have the authority to arrest U.S. citizens asking for a judicial warrant.
The cell phone video shot by a member of Comptroller Lander's staff shows ICE agents, some in masks, taking the mayoral candidate into custody at Immigration Court at 26 Federal Plaza. Lander was released hours later and walked out with his wife and Governor Hochul, who came upon hearing what happened. The Department of Homeland Security said Lander was arrested for assaulting law enforcement and impeding a federal officer. Lander says he had been volunteering with an immigration organization and was accompanying families out of Immigration Court for a third week today, when he says ICE agents were trying to detain a man named Edgardo in the hallway, whose immigration case had just been dismissed. This is what Lander says happened next.
All I tried to do was just hold Edgardo's arm and ask the ICE agents, do you have a warrant? And they would not show me the warrant. And I said I'd let go of his arm as soon as they showed it to me, and they did not show it to me, and you saw what happened.
This is a sorry day for New York and our country.
And I asked the Comptroller if he did in fact put hands on law enforcement. He said that he would refrain from answering that before speaking to counsel, but then followed it up by saying, we all saw the video. The Southern District of New York is also investigating. We're live from Lower Manhattan. Allie Bauman, CBS News, New York.
Allie, thank you. Now